You don't forget.
Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So we're out for a little drive tonight. It's probably about 5 p.m.
Yeah, it's 5 p.m.
5 p.m. 5:30.
Yeah.
So we did a little ride, and I just put up that motor vlog. It's a little different route up to through Mabalacat. Mabalacat has the festival going on. There's a few events, but I'm still yet to find the schedule for it. But
We don't know yet the schedule.
Well, you know.
But all I know is the fiesta here in Xevera is Feb 20 or 21.
February 2021. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
So
I'm not sure.
we were here last year. They had the beauty contest or whatever it was, and we're waiting to see. But anyway, look around, guys. We are up on top of the building here, and this is all right. And this is what we are overlooking right now. This is the main commerce area for Xevera and Mabalacat, and I never done this view for you, so here it comes. I'm going to spin the camera around here a little bit, and people are coming home from work at this point, and it's actually pretty nice. Down in that area, there's a little market. We can go down there and check that out as well. And if we walk over on this side, you have a little different view from what we had before. There are some shops over here, and some businesses in the bottom floors down in that area, and all the way down on that side. Not quite sure what they got up top. Some of it looks empty, but right underneath us is a 7-Eleven. So let's go downstairs and take a little walk. What's going on down there? Okay, all right. So let's walk down there. So there is some stores and other things up here too, right? Yeah, but I think, is there an exit over here? I'm not so sure. It is. Some stairs down here. All right, so if you have a business, you want to start a business, there is places for rent. Yeah, there's a lot of available stalls. Here they have a little gym. Come on, boxing and fitness gym. Oh, okay. I didn't even know that was here, but now we know. Now we know. So let's go down and see what they got here. These stairs has little deep steps, and I got another swing of the gout attack the other day and have a little bit of issues walking actually. What do you need? What is that? When you go blogging at the market, the women always want to shop. So, how much are they?
25.
Yeah. Buy a couple. Buy a couple of them.
Huh?
Yeah, buy a couple of them. Face masks. Face masks is always something we can use. I'm pretty bad at doing that, but when we are driving around, some areas here are seriously dusty, and hello, how are you? Such a little cutie, are you? Her mom operates the little stand here. Little cute girl. All right, thank you. All right. So, all right. So I guess the kids are coming out of school too. What do we got here? Shawarma. One, take one.
Bayaran na lang kita next
Solo special.
Yung parang take on
What? Solo special? Buy one, take one. Jumbo with cheese, 100. What is that? Like you can get. You want? We can try one before we leave.
Ano? Gusto mo spicy? Wag kong spicy.
Or do you want to try one now?
No. We can...
Let's go.
Ay, sige, gawin natin spicy joke. Joke!
They got knickknacks all over the place here. What? You want buka juice? Okay. Get one. Yeah, when you go to the market, it's always a woman's task is to shop a little bit, so we're gonna get that done too. Now it's on.
Welcome to the Philippines! Welcome to Janice! It's more fun in the Philippines! Sir, what's that vlog?
What?
It's Dalishan, man!
Why is it more fun in Philippines?
Because so many islands here! No! Because some of the Filipinos are so hospitable and so kind!
Yep.
You don't notice the layers, the big!
All right. Hey guys, you guys are quiet. They're pretty noisy. Oh. Yeah. I'm from Sweden. Yes. Yes. But I lived in the United States for almost 30 years. But I've been here for 5 now.
Oh yeah. Okay. Is the country amazing?
Yeah, I love it. Love the Philippines.
Utangin na mo nung sa kami. Ay naman! Lili, nakatama ni Lili.
Buko. All right, so the kids are having fun. They see a camera, they become artists, entertainers. So let's walk over to the other side and see what's there.
Still looking over your shoulder, still working on your defense. By now you think it's all over, cause you worry too much and you don't know what you fight against. And if you want my opinion, I'll let it take you away. Only relief is the four on the floor and the crowd that goes. Turn it up, 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 turn it up.
What are those shorts? Are they for men? Polo blouse. Three for 100. Huh? Yeah. We'll go.
Yan yung nagpo-vlog sa akin ako sa YouTube.
jeans clothes, jeans dresses. All right, so this is a little market, and basically what I got here is clothes, I think. So, yeah, lot of clothes.
Yeah, I think there's
Huh? Yeah, we'll walk around. We'll walk around and take a look. It's amazing how many clothes they got here. So you can get a pair of jeans for 100 pesos, $2. I actually bought a couple of pairs. And they are pretty good. Yes.
I watched your video last time.
Oh, you did. You did watch it?
Yes, I watched it.
You saw me?
Yes.
Where did
Thank you
you?
very much for promoting
Oh,
our channel.
Yeah. I'm trying. I'm trying.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, Big, matap, kukuha-kuha ka na, no, Big, kaya ka.
What? English?
Yes, you speak English.
Yeah, you speak English. You don't speak English?
How long you have been here in the Philippines?
I've been here 5 years. Yeah, I've been here 5 years. Yeah,
She's your wife.
she's my wife. 5 years.
Very beautiful, huh?
Uh-huh.
How many kids do you have?
None. No
Why?
kids.
Why?
No kids.
I guess you are.
I don't know. I have 4 before. Yeah,
But as of now,
No.
no kids.
with her no. Not yet. I don't know.
So how long your marriage?
5 years. Actually, last August we were 5 years. So
So are you residing?
no, we don't reside here. We reside down in Dao.
Daw?
Yeah.
We really appreciate your video last time.
Yeah.
Yes.
You did. You saw it.
Everybody's happy regarding your.
You saw it online.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually I saw it many times.
Yeah.
I watch it many times.
Okay. That'll be this one probably be out Friday. Friday. Yeah. Because I already have other videos scheduled. I'll try to stay ahead at least 1 or 2 days, 3 days. So then I can get lazy one day and not do anything. All right. Okay. Sounds nice. It's
Nice to meet
talking
you.
to you.
Yes, yes. Same
All
thing,
right.
my friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Yeah. So apparently they had seen some of my videos that we have done here before. So it'll be fun for them to see again. Oh yeah. Why don't we pop in here and
yeah.
just check
Let's
it out?
see. Check out the.
Just check it out.
That's a church.
Yeah. There you go. That's how it looks like.
Yeah, that's two angels.
Santuario de San Angelo. Right? So yeah, let's just go up and take a look inside real quick. We just walk up. Come on. Just gonna walk up and take a look real quick inside. There's one thing I've never been to. I've never seen inside here. I've seen the church. It's kind of interesting architecture on the outside. You see the columns in the front and all that. Pretty interesting. So let me try to adjust the camera. All right, there we go. The camera is adjusted. So it's like old churches, they have birds inside. All right, and the market is right outside here. So we're gonna go down and continue walk a little bit. So this is a school here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have quite a bit more of this on this side, and it's all clothes. Hello, how are you? You doing good? All right, that sounds good. High school and elementary in the same building. Okay, so there we go. So in here we have some more. Here we have shoes.
Slippers.
Shoes and slippers. So that's okay. And there we got some watches. Watches.
Watches.
Headsets.
Headsets.
Yeah.
Then charger.
Charger.
Some cell phone.
Yeah, we need to have a cell phone to stick in it first.
No,
I need to buy a new cell phone.
I don't have cell phone. My cell
Alright.
phone is already destroyed.
No, I need to buy a new one soon. I have my old US phone. It's several years old. I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years old. And I actually discontinued my number in the United States. I didn't feel like
Look at that.
paying $50 a month when I maybe make 1 or 2 phone calls a month. Expensive phone calls. So I discontinued my US phone permanently. All right, guys, this is the entrance to the community. And yeah, this is the entrance to the community.
Yeah.
And it's pretty nice, you know, at night. Nice lights and a little pretty situation. So it's pretty cool. All right, guys, that was a little walk around the market here. A quick peek at the church. Stuff that I haven't showed from Xevera before. We just decided this evening to get out a little bit, and it's getting dark, and we are about to wrap it up and go home.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and
Don't forget to put comments below.
comments, yes. And if you watch our videos, the thumbs up means a lot, and the thumbs down means a lot too.
Yes.
When you do give a thumbs down, write a comment, tell me what you want to change or what you would like to see different. That way we get an idea of what you actually put the thumbs down for. That's one of the things I think would have liked YouTube to change, that when people do give a thumbs down, it should be required to put a comment in, so we as creators can get a feedback. Why do we get them? We understand that content, you don't like the content, we understand that. You don't like the way we produce it, and whatever, we can understand all that. But we can never correct ourselves unless we have a comment somewhere. So use the comment section for that. And we are so happy to have, we are almost at 2,000. We are almost at 7,000 followers on Facebook, and we're going to continue doing these videos as much as we can. God bless. Bye-bye for now. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.